Hey guys, so in this video I want to show you the new feature surrounding automated emails and being able to approve those emails prior to actually sending them out. So we all know that when you're in the automations, I create a workflow, and that workflow might be a pipeline stage change, let's say any stage to under review, and then you want to send an automated email. Okay, so you're going to select one of your email templates. You're going to send or select who it's to, either the client, which is like the main client on the file, all the borrowers on the file, the mortgage advisor, or the admin. We'll keep it there. Now, this will add any kind of email signature that the user has to that email before sending it. But we added this new option, require approval before sending. So normally, if you were to set up this automation, the stage change would automatically trigger that email to then go out to the client. If you select this, what it's going to do is we'll save this workflow. And we're going to move a file to under review. So from any stage to under review. The normal stage change, this has nothing to do with it. That's different. But now, essentially, if we go to our automations, we'll notice that it had one run. So it did run, meaning it triggered that email to send. However, it didn't actually send it because on your dashboard, there's this field that says communications pending approval. So all the emails that are basically queued up that have triggered in those automations that you have that toggle selected to, it will ask if you want to approve it or reject it, and you can even edit the message prior to sending it out. So tons of value there to make sure that you're sending exactly what you want to send out. If you want to send it, you click approve. If you don't want to send it, you click reject, and then that's it. So great way to very easily stay on top of all your automations, making sure that they're not going out if you don't actually want them to be sent. So I hope this video helps outline the new feature regarding confirmation prior to sending automated emails. And thanks a lot. Let me know if you need any help, or let me know if you have any other ideas that you want us to expand on.